Are you a manufacturer? Does your product have barcode? In this video, we are going to see the top 5 reasons why your product should have barcode. Reason number 1, effective inventory management. By simply scanning the barcode, you can easily update the inventory database. Reason number 2, to reach premium market. To list your product in mall or bigger supermarkets or very big retail store, you need barcode. Reason number 3, error reduction. Manual data entry leads to human error, such as typographical error or misinterpretation of numbers. But barcode eliminates these errors. Reason number 4, enhanced traceability. By using barcode, you can easily monitor the movement of goods from manufacturer to distributor to retailer. Reason number 5, to enter into e-commerce universe such as Amazon or Flipkart, you need barcode. So, my dear entrepreneurs, technology has become a most integral part of modern business operations. Utilize the technology, grow your business.